Hello and welcome, my name is Ashley Standland. Today we're going to be looking at how to set up a basic home studio. You can buy these kits on anywhere online, like Gear for Music, Amazon, all those places, and they range from £100 right up to £600, £700, £800, and they do those bundles together, and within the bundles you'll get a microphone, a mic stand, an interface, USB 2 A to B, an XLR cable, and also a reflection filter sometimes included. These are the basic essentials you'll need to start recording your voice or anything through a microphone into your recording software, whether it be Logic Pro X, Pro Tools, Cubase, whatever it is that you're using. So let's jump straight in and we'll show you how to set it up. So we'll take a look at the Audient interface here. On the back, we've got our XLR input there. On the microphone, XLR output. What you're going to do, take your XLR cable, you take the female end of the XLR cable and pop that into your microphone, and then you take the male end of the XLR and put that into the interface, and that's as simple as that. That is all linked up to the microphone. Now some of these interfaces will require power, so you'll plug it into an external power source, into the mains. This one, however, runs just off the USB power, so it's running off the power that comes from the Mac or PC or computer, whatever it is. And then USB into your computer. The other end just straight in to the interface, which then will light up. So yeah, we've got some lights on there now. Now a condenser microphone does require 48 volt phantom power. Most interfaces now will offer that, and there's a little button on the back. You can see just here, which you can click there, and a little LED on the front panel pops up as to whether it's on or not. Now what that does, that just sends power to the microphone. So we're going to have that on for this microphone, and that is all the leads and everything you need set up. Now if we take a look at this interface here, we can see we've got a few knobs, and these are going to be the same on most interfaces that you'll find out there. So the mic gain, turn up and down as to how much signal you want going into your computer. Now this is important when it comes to levels and getting the right level, so it's not distorting or you're not too quiet. So you want to use this and play around with this when you start recording in. The DI gain, exactly the same thing as the mic, but if you're recording a line level in, like keyboard or a guitar or a bass, and you plug it into this front panel here, that's the knob that you're going to control that with. Next, we've got input monitoring. So this just lets you hear what's going into your interface before it reaches the computer. And obviously a master volume here, which you can turn up and down as you please. This won't affect signal going into the computer. That's just how loud you want it to play back, or how loud you want to hear whilst you're recording. Okay, so on the front here as well, we have got the headphones. On this ID4, we've got a 3.5mm and also a 1/4" jack that you can put your headphones in. Some of them don't offer that, some just offer 1/4", some just offer 3.5. You can get adapters for these cheap, but that's where your headphones are going to want to go. Okay, so next thing you want to think about is if you need a driver or not. If you're using a Mac, most of the time you don't need a driver. If you're using Windows, you may need a driver. So what a driver is, it's essentially data that's put on your computer that allows the computer to read and use external devices. All you need to be able to do is go on Google, type in driver for Audient ID4 or driver for Scarlett Solo 2 2nd Gen, whatever interface it is, put driver 4 before, find the website, download the driver, and away you go. You can plug and play. Next thing, you want to load up your software, and then you want to check out setting up your project as to where to go next. Thanks for watching, guys.
To help us bring you more content, please support us by subscribing to our channel.